All right, let's review this Oxx coffee maker. Oxx did send this to us. They did not pay me to do any of this. It's actually been sitting in my shop for 3 months now, and I actually kind of forgot about it, just kind of got pushed to the side. I do love coffee. I don't know about you guys, but Folger special. So let's see how this thing holds up, and we'll just kind of go through it. I already opened it. There wasn't much in the box besides this. They also sent me some coffee and this coffee mug, which the coffee mug is great. We've been using these for a while now. This, on the other hand, let's check it out. So we'll start off with this cup here. Has their name on it. Screw top, which is great. Also has a seal. Yeah, nice coffee mug. Don't think this comes with the order, but if you like coffee mugs, I would recommend it. They have several different kinds of coffee. I'm pretty sure this thing works with all K-cups. Yeah. So let's see how this coffee holds up against the old Folgers. Instructions were also in the box. Get a free 18-pack of coffee with your registered order. Product weighs 12 pounds empty. That's all that I see on here that's really relevant. Let's dive into this thing. Buttons on top, look pretty simple. A little door for where your coffee cup will get filled. So I believe that's how long the cord is, like 3 feet. Retractable, pretty sweet. This is where your K-cups go in. Ooh, lost one. So like that, we'll wait to do this. Here's the water jug. There's something in there. So I don't know what this is, but this must go in here. I'm assuming it's some sort of filter. Oh, yep, it says right in here, replace filter. So I did do that right. So I think that's it for like doors, cord, door, top part for the cup, top part for the water. So I'm gonna go fill this thing up. I'm gonna try it out. So I filled this up. It holds 2.5 liters. Only one way it can go in. So there's a needle on here that pierces this guy here. Okay. So I'm gonna go plug this in. And we gotta turn it on and let it preheat. There is an indicator that says heating. So we gotta let it preheat, and then we'll brew a cup of coffee. So it is doing something. So surprisingly really fast. I couldn't believe how fast that thing warmed up. Smells like coffee. So that is it, I believe. Turned it off. So it does 12 ounces is the largest it can do. So you could probably do 2 of these if you have a giant cup or like a travel mug, but there's plenty of room to add your creamer or whatever you use with your coffee. So you could do probably 3 cups with what's left here. All right, my friends. Oxx Box review done. Folgers coffee with a little bit of creamer. Oh yeah. Oxx Box workhorse coffee. It's still quite hot. I think it tastes quite well. I'm definitely not a coffee snob though. I drink gallons of cheap coffee, but I could definitely drink this black. It's not super bitter or gross. So yeah, the review. So this, ooh, could have been bad. So this thing here. So it seems to be built quite well. I think the green one looks a lot cooler. Black's also cool, but easy to use. There's not many buttons on here. You can also get hot water if you make like ramens or something. The only complaint I have is this here. I'm pretty sure Makita also makes a portable coffee box. And I don't know the price point of that one, but this one's about $150. And for a travel job site coffee maker, it would be nice if this thing took like a DeWalt battery or a Makita battery or any sort of battery. I honestly don't know what would go into making that happen, but if I was looking at these and they were similar price, the ability to bring this thing, set it on the tailgate of the truck and just fire it up without plugging it in somewhere would be huge. Just to slap a tool battery in there and go. But other than that, I think it's great. So only complaint is the cord. Well built. If you're looking for a coffee box, I would check it out. And yeah, thanks for checking out our channel, guys. I'm hoping to review more things here soon. Until then, enjoy, check us out on Instagram, and have a good day.